The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, navigation package, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, floor mats, cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, AM/FM stereo radio. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.